Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, tarot and oracle card reader, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of June. This is for my dear Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Cancer as your rising slash ascendant sign, then this is your reading. So, without further ado, let's proceed with your reading. But before we proceed with your reading, let's get you your angel number. Might be these are the angel number that you have been seeing recently. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Cancer, please. So we have 9, 6, 2, and 11. So I'm going to make this as 2 as well. So 9622. Kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 9622. Maaring there is a certain message that needs your attention with this particular number. So you might be seeing a lot of 99, 99, 999, 66, 666, 222, 22, and then 11, 11, and 111 as a confirmation of this particular reading. So let's proceed now with your certain, wait lang, medyo malayo eh. Okay. So let's proceed now with the overall theme of your life for this particular month, my dear Cancer. Other than do sa 3 cards, if you just came from my teaser from TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. So let's see muna what will be the overall theme, overall energy of your life for this particular month. What will be your focus? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the energy focus of my dear Cancer or the theme of their life for this month. So we have here the 6th house. We're in the work, health, and duty area of your life. So probably, my dear Cancer, you will be focusing on working on yourself, particularly with your health. Might be you are learning a new routine, a new habit when it comes to your health, and also, kumbaga parang how you collaborate with other people. Kasi with 6th house, this is regarding workplace. So kung ano man yung environment mo with your workplace, you will be working on having that certain improvement. Kasi the way that we are treating ourselves, loving ourselves, valuing ourselves, and respecting ourselves is how we are going to receive it from other people around us. So you are going to focus on your health, focus on yourself, and how you relate with other people, particularly with your workmates or yung mga people that you collaborated with. So for the 3 card spread that you have with the teaser from my TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook page, so we have here the world. So you are completing a certain cycle or you are starting a new cycle. But before you start new cycle, new beginnings in your life, lessons have to be learned. So, kumbaga, patapos na yung cycle that you are currently experiencing. And before you end that certain cycle and before you start a new one, you had to learn the lesson that is provided by every opportunity, relationship, situation that you had encountered. Or might be ginawa mong mundo yung work mo. For some of you, you had focused yourself with work, with your 9 to 5 job, with your relationship, ginawa mo yung mundo, not thinking that you have your world outside of that certain situation, that relationship, and that work. So this is the time for you to learn the lesson that is provided by every people, situation, mindset, relationship that you had encountered. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So lessons have to be learned for you this month before you start on a new cycle. Probably you're planning to travel, my dear Cancer, or travel is involved with your life for this particular month or the succeeding days, weeks, or months. So the obstacle that you're needing to face, my dear Cancer is being confident of yourself. Probably you are doubting yourself, telling yourself that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough, that you are not capable enough, that you are not talented enough, that you are not pretty enough. So that is the reason why you need to work on how you are treating yourself, kasi that is nagiging reality mo. That becomes your reality. So it's time for you to work on yourself to be the best version of yourself. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So what you needed to do might be your judgment is little bit clouded, or might be you had been emotional. So it's time for you to step back. If you felt like you are overwhelmed by work or situations in your life, this is the time for you na mag-step back ka muna, for you to see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening in your reality. Again, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So the reason why you cannot see through things as of the moment, or might be you are getting too attached, getting too fixated to the possible future and the outcome, and you are losing track of what you needed to address as of the moment. So this is the time for you to focus on what you can control, which is your own decisions and your actions. So stop wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that you needed to learn? What are the certain patterns that you had been repeating, or actions and decisions that you had been repetitively doing? So this is the time for you to contemplate on those certain things. Kasi things are not yet clear sa'yo. Kumbaga, there are things hidden sa'yo na tinatago ng universe. Kasi universe wanted you to focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. Probably, it's telling you to focus on your health, focus on nurturing yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. So that is the actions that you needed to do when it comes to your life for this particular month. So let's see what will be the energies of your career. What is your current energies sa career mo? Career mo, business life, work life, or partnership with other people around you. So what is the energies of your work life? So the full might be you are starting new things in your life, wherein sabi ko nga, before you start something new, the change that you want should start within you by taking the risk, taking the leap of faith, removing the limitation that you are imposing yourself. Kasi nga, you are not confident, you are doubting your capabilities, you're doubting your skills, you're doubting your capacity. So before you start new things, you had to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. Kasi for you to welcome change, my dear Cancer, the change that you want should start within you by changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see things, and also changing the way that you talk to yourself. Might be you are talking negatively to yourself. So, maaring travels is involved with your career. So, may bagong simula sa career mo, pero for you to welcome that change, that new beginning, you had to step outside of your comfort zone. Meron kang kailangang pagbabago na i-adapt for you to welcome this certain new beginning when it comes to your career. Na kung saan, it's telling you that it's time for you to take the risk, take a leap of faith. So, what are the energies coming your way when it comes to your with your work life, with your career? What are the energies coming your way, my dear Cancer? So, Hierophant, probably a promotion, a level up, a new opportunity, a new commitment, new project that is on the horizon for you. But then again, before you embark on this certain higher level opportunity, mataas na opportunity, lessons have to be learned. Kasi with the Hierophant, this is teacher. So everything that you're encountering in your life, it's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So before you embark on a new journey, a new cycle, you had to step outside of your comfort zone. You had to take the risk, take a leap of faith, remove the limitations that you are imposing yourself. And it's time for you to learn the lesson that is provided by every obstacles and challenges. For some of you, this promotion is way kumbaga, above your expertise. Kaya might be you are doubting yourself, that you are not worthy, that you are not capable enough of handling this certain opportunity. So this is the time for you to fully commit. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng pagbabago in your life, my dear Cancer, the change that you want should start within you. So when it comes to your financial situation, what is your current energy, my dear Cancer, with your finances, angel, spirit, universe? Ooh, So with your finances, maaring medyo mabagal yung progress ng iyong financial situation. Nagkaroon ng stagnancy, nagkaroon ng trials, obstacles, challenges, and delays when it comes to your financial situation. Yung opportunity that you are, kumbaga parang handling is naging slow moving, naging slow progress, naging slow yung pagpasok ng income, yung cash inflow had been slow recently. So the reason why things had to be slow is it's time for you to be confident of yourself kasi you are doubting yourself, my dear Cancer, doubting your capabilities, your talent, your skills regarding this certain opportunity. Kaya yung flow of abundance or the circuitry of the abundance had been slow kasi you yourself, you are not believing in your capabilities, your skills, and your talents, and it's affecting your reality kasi money is also energy. Money, the value of money, it depends on how you value yourself, how you see yourself, and how you treat yourself, kasi that is the value that you are attracting in your reality. If you doubt yourself, if you are kumbaga parang not believing in your capabilities and your skills, same thing with the energy of the abundance that is coming your way kasi that is the energy that you're attracting. So what is coming your way when it comes to your financial situation? So, tama ba ako? Okay. So magkakaroon ng, you will be getting out of the lack mindset, pero kumbaga parang magkakaroon ng abundance on the horizon, pero this certain abundance will not be coming in as quickly as you wanted it to be. Kasi if you wanted things to, kumbaga, for the long term, kailangan mo mag-intay. You need to be patient and trust the process. Because the important thing, my dear Cancer, is not the outcome, not the money, it's not the position, it's not the relationship, it's not the person. Hindi yun ang importante. The important thing is the process or the journey that you needed to transcend for you to get the outcome and for you to achieve it. Kasi pag hindi mo napagdaanan yung process or journey, you will not be able to sustain or handle the outcome, the relationship, the situation, the opportunity, and the money. So, when it comes to your relationship, your love life, or kumbaga parang pag sinabi nating relationship, it's the relationship that you have with yourself mainly kasi how you are treating yourself is how you will be receiving it from other people around you. So what is your current energy with your love relationship, your love life? My dear Cancer, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors, kindly give me the energies of your relationship. So lovers, so it's time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself. So kumbaga parang you are finding the lover within you. Kasi ang una nating lover, ang una nating soulmate is us. We need to, kumbaga, treat ourselves with kindness, love, and compassion. The way that we wanted to receive it from other people, that is the kind of love, care, value, respect that we needed to give to ourselves. The way that you are loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, my dear Cancer, is how you're going to receive it from other people around you. So you will be partnering with other people. You will be meeting the right people at the right time, part of your family, part of your soul tribe. So yung mga taong that will be coming across in your life this month is part of your family, part of your soul family, soul tribe, or yung mga na-encounter mo in your life, it's either they are your karmic soulmates or yung kumbaga parang soulmates lang na kailangan dumaan sa buhay natin. Kasi every people, situation, relationship that we are encountering, my dear Cancer, it's either they are a lesson or a blessing for us. Okay, so what are the energies coming your way when it comes to your relationship, mapa-love, mapa-platonic, friends, family? What is the energies of your love and relationship? So, Page of Wands, there would be bringing back up spark, magkakaroon ng rekindlement. So, might be, there would be a friendly approach, a friendly gesture, maliit na gesture coming your way. That would be, kumbaga parang creating a spark regarding the connection that you have. So, magkakaroon ng rekindlement. So, maaring a small gesture, a small kumbaga parang opportunity coming your way, a small approach or idea is coming your way when it comes to your relationship. So, as I've said, hindi mo man nakikita na may paparating na rekindlement or a reconciliation on the horizon, but it is coming. But for the meantime, this is time for you to focus on you, eyes on you, nurturing yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, my dear Cancer. So let's get you your oracle guidance, my dear Cancer. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the oracle guidance for my dear Cancer. We have here mending. So maaring there are certain things na hindi mo pa napapatawad and it's weighing heavy in your heart. So there are certain things that you needed to forgive, to reconcile with. So again, for you to move forward in life, fully move forward in life, you had to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. But if you cannot forgive them, the people, the situation, the only thing that you can do is accept na natapos na yun, it's already done. What happened in the past, whatever took place in the past, it's already written. You cannot change it. The only thing that you can do is taking the insight, taking the learning, and applying the necessary changes in the now so that it would change the possible future and the outcome. The future and the outcome, hindi siya mangyayari. It can happen or will not happen depending on your decisions and your actions. So for you to be moving forward, para kumbaga you are totally in the right path, you need to leave people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. So be fair. So it's time for you to bring balance to yourself. Meaning to say, it's not all the time yung relationship with other people, yun lang yung aayusin natin. We need to also fix the relationship that we have with ourselves. Kasi again, how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So let's get you the angel messages, my dear Cancer. So your angel messages, we have here 1010. Keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything is working out for your highest good. Trust that your angels are working behind the scenes to help you. I am patient. So as I've said, you might be clouded, your judgment might be clouded, and you cannot see through things as of the moment. So remember, the important thing is not the outcome, it's not the future, it's not the destination. The important thing is the journey or the process on how to get the outcome. So this is the time for you to surrender, trust the universe, trust the process, and let things flow, fall into place. Kasi the more that you're wanting to know the when and the how, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So let's get you your affirmation, my dear Cancer. What is your affirmation? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Affirmation for my dear Cancer. So, affirmation. Your affirmation is, I am listening to my intuition and being guided every step of the way. So it's time for you to listen to your intuition. You are being divinely guided. So if you had been recently being bombarded by angel number, quotations, music na merong message sa'yo, that is a confirmation that you are on the right track and also a reminder to keep your thoughts positive. So, wag kang magdwell sa negativity, sa fear, and the doubts. So, this is what I got for you, my dear Cancer. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Coach Ana Santiago Soul Tribe PH, with the word tarot for tarot reading, coach for coaching program or mentorship program, or you can go directly sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!